Today I'm reviewing the Amika hair bonding system, and if you've been following me, you probably know that I'm working on the damage that had happened to my hair a couple years ago in the breakage. I had hair thinning and also hair breakage. So this is something that's going to really work with the actual part of my hair that's already there, not regrowing new hair. The kit comes with 4 items: the shampoo, the conditioner, the in-shower treatment, and then the repair cream. I'm going to review each item really quickly and let you know the results that I've had so far. The packets for the shampoo and conditioner are so tiny. I had about 2 uses out of this. It depends upon how much shampoo you use, I mean obviously, but with as much hair as I have, I only really just wash my scalp, and this was about, I'd say, 2 to 3 sample treatments. So it was a great shampoo. I love it. The shampoo is really smooth. It felt so great washing out. I mean, it's just shampoo, but it actually had a great consistency and made my hair feel really great when I was washing it out. One thing you're going to really notice about these products is they have an intense smell. If you don't like fragrance or any type of smell irritates your senses, this is the most intense product I've ever smelled. It's the same scent for all the items, but it's a great smell also. So you're going to smell awesome all day long. I had people asking me, what is that smell? I was at the grocery store and someone asked me, what perfume are you wearing? It's just this hair care. It smells really amazing. But if you get headaches or you can't wear scents at work or at school, this is not the hair line to be using because it will linger throughout your skin, your hair. It's on my clothes. It will linger. But I gotta say, it really smells great. So I love it, honestly. The conditioner, again, a little tiny sample. With my hair length, this is really only a one-shot deal. I was able to squeeze 2 uses out of this because I was being really conservative. I wanted to use it more often and have a really good sense of the products. The conditioner is really nice. It's super thick. I love it. I probably will be buying this again. The Kure Multitask Repair Treatment. This is the product. Very interesting. And I think that's why the kit just has the full-size version of this and then a couple samples of the other things, because they're targeting this product as the one thing that's really going to help strengthen your hair. And I'm gonna say, I mean, it's only been a few uses so far. It's really different. I was expecting it to be super oily, so it made me a bit nervous about leaving it in my hair. So first things, you're washing your hair with the shampoo, you're conditioning, rinsing those out, and then using this in the shower. And it recommends using it for 1 minute. You can also leave it in your hair longer, or you can keep it in your hair, towel dry your hair, and use it as an all-day treatment. I have done each of those things. I did 1 minute, I did 5 minutes, and I did an all-day treatment. The ingredients in this are pretty good. They have castor oil as the second ingredient, and that's something that is really used to help regrow your hair. I know a lot of people are familiar with this to help their hair regrow, and that's why you really want it on your scalp. And I think that's why they have this spout in the first place, because it's going to get in there and help with your hair strengthening. With the actual hair shaft, you want something with protein in it, and they have that with the quinoa protein and a few other things. They have like shea butter and sea buckthorn oil, and there's so many ingredients in this that are really healthy and natural. I love that about this product, but like I mentioned, I was really nervous that it would be oily. The really funny thing is it's not. It's like between water and a serum. It's somewhere in between the two. So if you leave it on your scalp, it won't have an oily residue. And they mentioned that in the instructions. There is not going to be any residue left behind in your hair. And that's something I've noticed so far. It doesn't feel like I can't wash it out. So I do really enjoy this product. It has definitely left my hair feeling thicker. It's stiff though. It's not a smooth product that is nice to comb out of your hair. I was trying to comb it through and it definitely felt like a stiffness, but my hair has a thickness to it, a feeling of thickness, which makes me think there's a protective layer on my hair with this product. So it can be washed out really well, but it also leaves a nice protective layer on top of your hair the days that you're using it. Because of the type of hair that I have, hair creams are something that I've invested in enormously, and this repair cream had a lot of products to live up to, and it's just okay. It smells a tiny bit different than the other products, I think. it's hard to tell. Like this one has a bit of a softer smell, the same scent, but a little bit softer than the shampoo, conditioner, and the treatment. The repair cream is just fine, but I was hoping it would help with making my hair be able to comb out a little bit easier, and it didn't. It does add another protective layer, and it does let my hair have its wave, but it didn't let my hair comb out a little bit easier. And that's something that I was really hoping for. Otherwise, it's a nice repair cream. It's meant to smooth split ends. We all know you really have to trim those off. You can't seal them back together, but it did add a bit of smoothness as far as making my hair a little less puffy. But I do want to invest in an oil. If this company has one, I'm going to check it out and try if they have a hair oil. One of the things I wanted to make sure that I show you and show myself before I use a new bonding system is what my hair looks like before and what my hair looks like after using the products for at least a few days to a week. So I have my hair showing here, and this is just with a regular shampoo and conditioner that I use every single day, and my hair is air dried. I didn't use a hair dryer, I have no product, and I didn't comb or brush my hair. I just let it air dry exactly how it would be on its own. And this is what it looks like. It's just a little bit fluffy, a little bit flat. I have slight waves to my hair. This is my hair after using the treatment for a week. I've used it now between 3 and 5 times. I didn't brush or comb my hair, and I didn't use a hair dryer or any styling tools. The one thing I'm going to say was really noticeable is immediately my hair does feel much thicker. So I know it's feeling very protected. Another really interesting thing is the hair at the top of my head is a bit more puffed out, as if I added some mousse before hair drying with a blow dryer. It didn't make my waves any different. They're basically the same, but the big noticeable difference is that my hair just feels a little bit stiffer and fuller when I put my hands through it. And then combing through my hair, I can feel the difference in the give at the top of my head. So it's almost like I have maybe a fourth more hair than I had before. And combing through the whole length of the hair, it's not a smooth comb. So again, it's a little bit stiffer. It feels good. It feels like I have a bit of a protection on my hair, and it's something I'd really know after a month or so if it's preventing any breakage. For a follow-up, I would recommend trying this multitask treatment, repair treatment. It has been surprisingly good, and I really love the way you can apply it to your hair. I have the cap on now, but you can just do this and it goes right into your hair really easily, into your scalp, and then you can massage it into your scalp and it spreads so easily. There's a lot of product in here. I'm loving that castor oil is the second ingredient, and that is something that really encourages hair regrowth and healthy hair regrowth. So this was a win. The shampoo I actually really do like, and the conditioner. The repair cream is I'm not excited about it, only because I wanted it to smooth my hair and make it more, you know, able to comb through. That was the one thing I didn't really like about it. They may have another product that helps make your hair more easily combed through, but I haven't checked the full line yet because I wanted to try this first. Now I'm really intrigued by the line. I'm going to check out some of their other products. If they have a hair oil, I'm very curious. I want to try that. So I encourage, if you want to try a system, get something like this, or at least try this one. This is good. This is really good. So I'm gonna say a huge thumbs up to this. It's good. It's really good. As you know, I'm working on the breakage of my hair and trying out different hair bonding systems. I have another one coming up. After I finish this one out, I'm going to be doing a couple more that I have ready to go. If you have a hair bonding product or system that you've used or you're curious about, can you let me know in the comments below so I can explore if I already have that and it's next up in line. I'll let you know. Or if there's something that I've not heard of and I should be trying, please let me know as well, and put that in the comments below so we can all look out for new products that may help regrow our hair or protect or strengthen our hair. And I have a video about the products I've been using to help regrow my hair internally, and I really recommend you check that out.